Morning all. Well, we're back out of lockdown, so come in and see us. We've still got limits on how many we can have in here, but if you want to still wander and around and have a look, please do. We've got lots of new things in, we've got lots of restock, so let's get into it. First up, let's have a look at some new things that came in from ICM. What every 35th scale modeler needs is one of these. This is an outdoor toilet from ICM. Enough said. If you're looking at, now this is something a lot of people have asked me over the years, 32nd scale pilots to put in the 32nd scale aircraft. Some kits come with them, some kits don't. This one's the first in the new series that ICM is doing. This one is the Axis, World War II Axis pilots. So you've got a German, Italian and a Japanese pilot all seated. The figures are very, very good. They come in parts so that you can manipulate them a little bit. Colour guides are in there, of course. You get one of each figure. They are doing American bomber crews, American fighter crew, team, ground crew, British. What else are they doing? There's a number of these going to be coming out. So if you're looking finally to put somebody in your aircraft, there you go. So let's have a look. Special Hobby, just come in. I'll show you some other, nice little thing in a minute, but here's some of the new releases. This is the Bruguet BR693. This has been out a while back and they've just reissued it, I believe. So if you're looking for those classic French bombers, very nice. The Foxworth 189, this is the trainer, or I think they even called it the prototype at one stage. Yeah, they're calling it a Luftwaffe trainer. This is the trainer that they use to operate with the 189s, teach pilots and aircrew and everything else. That's never been done before, so that's a good one to have a look at. This is the series of 109s that Special Hobby are doing. It's interesting that 3 companies at the moment are all looking at doing 109s. Especially the E models. So it'll be interesting to see who comes up. These are really, really nice. The detail's very, very good. I'm going to show you one shortly. I think there's nearly 12 in the series that they're going to be doing. So you're essentially going to be doing, you can do almost all the different 109Es that are available, including some of the earlier ones that are just prior to World War II. So if you're looking for a classic 109E in a good detail, grab one of these. So that's it for that little group. So we'll have a chat some more and talk to you soon. See you later.